My name is Teresa Donner. In the second tutorial of the distance sensor DT80, you will get to know some advanced functions: the digital input, the distance offset, the measurement cycle time, some filter functions, the behavior no echo functions, and the device settings. Press the checkmark button to get into the main menu. It consists of the quick setup, which we covered in the first video, the manual setup, device, interface, and info menu. In the info menu, you will find the counter of the switching outputs. Click on it and navigate down to reset the counter. The info menu consists also information about the hardware, software, and IO-Link version. Now we jump back to the main menu. Within the interface menu, you find the different settings for the digital and analog output. Take a look at the videos in the video description to get to know the switching functions for SiC distance sensors. In this video, we will take a closer look at the input functions. The sender off setting switches the laser off via the digital input for the duration of the signal. The distance preset allows you to define a specific distance output value at an initialization position. The preset can be triggered manually or by the input signal. For example, if we want the start of the rail to be the 0 point, we set the preset to 0 millimeters. The sensor will then set the actual measured distance value as a negative to the distance offset. If we jump now to the home screen, the display shows a distance of 0 millimeters. In the manual setup, you will find the distance offset value. Activating the preset also replaces any previously set distance offset. The distance offset function can also be used separately to add a value to the actual measured distance value. The measurement cycle time defines the intervals at which measurements are performed. A shorter measurement cycle time results in a faster response time. However, this increases the signal noise. With the setting of 33 milliseconds up to 200 milliseconds, the sensor is able to measure up to 40 meters. To achieve the maximum measurement range of 80 meters, choose the setting of 3000 milliseconds. The cycle time can take up to 3000 milliseconds, but can be even lower depending on the measurement situation. The filters can optimize the signal curve. DT80 consists of two filter options. Clicking on the eye icon provides a short explanation for both filters. The median filter allows you to choose between 3 and 127 values from which to select the middle value. The averaging filter has a range of 4 to 128 moving values that can be averaged. The behavior of the output distance value can be adjusted for the possible case that the sensor does not receive an echo. The factory setting will output a substitute value of 0 millimeters, but you can adjust the substitute value, for example, to 10 meters. Set a suppression time, such as 2 seconds, to hold the last valid measurement until it has elapsed to output the configured substitute value. As I cover the sender, the device outputs after 2 seconds the substitute value of 10 meters. If you choose hold, the last valid measurement is displayed and held until a valid measurement is available again. Within the device menu, the laser can be manually switched off and on again. To increase the brightness of the display, change the default setting from medium to high. Click on this item to restore the factory default settings. I hope you liked the video and it will help you in using the DT80's entire potential.